What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a pickup. I went on the SSENSE sale and they had a pair of APC New Standard Indigo jeans, and so I went ahead and purchased them. If you saw my last video, you saw that I got the stone wash, but today we're unboxing the Indigo. I now own 2 pairs of APC. All right, let's see how this looks like. All right, so let's do a little background. This is my first ever order off of SSENSE. So far I can just say that it's a pretty normal unboxing. Ordering from Mr. Porter is a lot more entertaining. SSENSE New Standard Indigo, that's what we got here today. Size 31. I typically wear a 32, but because I got the stone wash and I saw like the 31 was a better fit, I decided to go with the 31 instead of a 32. And you know, when you buy jeans, you typically want to buy the pair of jeans that you want to wear in the future. So in the future, if you're looking for a good fitting pair of jeans, you want to buy something that's a little tighter at the moment, and then after a few wears, you know, the denim will start to break up and then it'll start to, you know, man, these are fucking, that is rough right there. That is a rough jean. Yeah. All right. So first things first, you know, just looking at it right now, like, it's a heavy fucking pair of pants. You know, if you don't know about Selvedge Denim, this is fucking just raw cotton denim, 100% cotton. Now that is a shit. Now, I'll put a picture of like what it is, but the good thing about APC is that they have something called the Butler program, where after this is like beaten up, and I mean beaten the fuck up, like, you know, you got rips and it's just like not this color anymore, and it's more or less like kind of like this, you could trade them in, and I think they give you I forget the discount code now, or the discount amount, but they give you a discount on a brand new pair. So that's that. Oh look, we got a little information tag right here. Let's see what this is about. Oh, okay. So how to wash your denim. All right, so that's the unboxing. Nothing special in there. And all right, I guess let's just try them on. All right, so I got the jeans on, and guys, I kid you not, getting these fucking pants on is like, I've never put on Selvedge like this, except a few times in like the dressing rooms at the Bloomingdale's. It's been a minute, and I forgot how uncomfortable they are to put on. Like, these pair of pants, it's like everything is tight, nothing wants to move, nothing is flexible. Like, and if you are buying this and you plan on wearing it in the summer, yo, you're gonna sweat your ass off. Like, this isn't something I would buy. If I could redo it, I'd wish the sale was in the fall and I'd wear it into the fall, because I already know I'm gonna sweat and it's just gonna fucking be hard to wear these in the summer, because it's just so tight to break it in and then put it in the summer. Now, how they look, I'm digging them, you know? I think this is a great pant. I think you could wear this formally when you're wearing, like, let's say a blazer and some not jeans, but boots. Looks good. And I think you can wear them casually, like what I'm doing right now. Right now I have it set, this is like my tape, kind of taper. I just cuffed them, so when I take them to my guy, probably right there is where I put them. But yeah, besides that, fit looks good. The fit is good. It's just tight for now, but I know in like 6 months, I'll be saying something different and I'll make an update about that. 2, the color is good. They're all gonna look like this, but yeah. It's more of like a fall wear, I'd say. You know, you wear a lighter jean in the summer, but you know, by the time I wear this a couple of times in the summer, by fall it'll be a little loose and more, you know, comfortable to wear. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Here we are. This one, we got it with the Wyatts, and honestly, I like it even more. Definitely recommend these jeans. I would recommend them 100%. If you got the funds to go and pay for something like this, definitely do it. So I'd say, like, for these jeans, they're way more versatile versus something that's, let's say, a little looser, because you can be more inclined, more on the side of a informal fit, and be stuck to like, okay, I can only wear this with like sneakers, or I can only wear this if I'm like wearing a loose fitted shirt. I recommend these, and we'll do another video of when, let's say after 6 months, and then I'll do a year of what they look like when you wear them. All right guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you really enjoyed it, please leave a like, and if you want to know any more information, just drop a comment below. I'll answer it, and yeah, thanks for watching.